Audio CD 2, Track 2, Unit 1, Location. Nick is meeting Lisa to go to lunch at a fancy restaurant. Unfortunately, they are having trouble connecting.
Lisa, where are you? I've been waiting for you here at the subway station.
I can't find it. I'm lost.
Oh no, where are you?
I'm in front of a small supermarket.
Is there a park next to the supermarket? And a school across the street?
Yes, and there's a convenience store kitty corner from here.
Okay, just walk north for about 5 minutes. Just walk north for about 5 minutes and you'll see a department store on the right.
And the subway station is next to the department store?
Yes, it's between the department store and a large bank. And please hurry.
If you hadn't given me such bad directions, I'd be there already.